Do you ever feel like learning English is a huge mountain to climb? Like you'll never reach the top? I've been there. But what if I told you that you can conquer that mountain, one small step at a time, month by month? Let me share a story with you. It's called My Year, My Dreams. Maybe it's your story too. In January, a new year begins. It's a fresh start. I feel a sense of hope, a quiet calm. This is the year I tell myself. This is the year I will learn English. In February, the journey truly starts from within. It's not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about learning to love myself, to believe in my dreams. I tell myself, you can do this. And you know what? I start to believe it. Self-love is the first step to success. March arrives, and with it, a new routine. I study English every single day. Some days are easy, some days are hard. But I make a promise to myself. I will not give up. Consistency is key. Even 15 minutes a day is better than nothing. It's about building a habit. Then comes April, the month of mistakes. I mix up my words. I forget the rules. It can be frustrating. But I remind myself that mistakes are not failures. They are lessons. Every time I get something wrong, I'm actually learning how to get it right. So, I keep going. By May, something starts to change. I feel a shift inside me. The words come a little easier. I understand a little more. I feel stronger, more confident. The small daily efforts are starting to add up, and it feels amazing. This is the feeling of growth. June is a month of celebration. I look back at where I was in January and I can see real progress. I can have a simple conversation. I can understand a song. I feel so proud of myself. It's important to acknowledge how far you've come and celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Summer is here, and so is July. It's hot, my friends are on vacation, and it's easy to get distracted. But I stay focused. I remember my dream. I keep my eyes on the prize, even when it's hard. Discipline is what keeps you going when motivation fades. In August, I push myself a little more. I decide to practice speaking every chance I get. I talk to myself in the mirror. I find a language partner online. I might sound silly at first, but with more practice, I start to speak better, clearer, and more fluently. Practice really does make progress. September feels like a new beginning all over again. The energy of back to school is in the air. I get back into my routine with renewed discipline. I organize my notes, set new goals for the rest of the year, and dive back into my studies with fresh energy. October can be a spooky month, but I decide I am not afraid. I'm not afraid of making mistakes in front of others. I'm not afraid to try difficult exercises. I'm not afraid to fail and try again. Fear holds us back, but courage pushes us forward. In November, I take a moment to pause and reflect. I am so thankful. Thankful for this journey, for the challenges, for the progress. I'm thankful for my own determination. Gratitude changes everything. It makes you appreciate the process, not just the result. And just like that, it's December. The year is ending. I look back at the past 12 months. I look at the person I was in January and the person I am now, and I smile, I truly smile, because I did my best. I didn't become a perfect English speaker overnight, but I grew so much. Every month mattered. Every single step counted. Every mistake was a lesson. Every small win was a victory. As my English grew, my confidence grew with it. And today, I can say with my whole heart, I am proud of myself. And you can be proud of yourself too. Your journey is unique. It might not look exactly like this story, but the principle is the same. Take it one day, 1 week, 1 month at a time. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress. You've got this. Thank you so much for listening to my story. If this inspired you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories and tips to help you on your English learning journey. See you next time.